Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I want to carry on discussion about the Dzine AI. So, as I mentioned in my previous video, it's a new name of the software previously called Stylar. Okay, stylar AI, that's the software which I was doing some reviews in the past. I like that software, and this one is even better. Okay, they changed the name, they add some additional functions on it, which they haven't been previously available in Stylar. Okay, so let's go and do another thing which we can, we discussed that yesterday. We discussed like a text to image, but now we want to go and discuss, let's say, image to image. Okay, so let's start with this with title, for example, a test, right? So we want to keep the ratio 1:1. Other ratios are available. You can even do the custom ratio if you wish to do so, but 1:1 is absolutely fine. Let's go and click apply. Now, we discussed yesterday, as I said, text to image, okay? But now we're gonna discuss image to image, right? So what I done, I got a couple of already made pictures, okay? And I want to use one of those here, which is showing the just the internal, okay, of the apartment. It looks very nice and modern, okay? So now what we can do here, we can go and choose the style. You can either choose the style by browsing like that. Okay, many styles in comparison to styler, I think they just doubled it, even triple it. There's so many different styles available, different models. Okay, so but I want to use on this particular occasion, I just want to go ahead and do something like interior, right? And we had a few internal designs which are available to us. Okay, I think I'm gonna stick with this modern glamorous. Okay, and so this is a style we will be creating our image based on. Okay, and now this image is the sort of this the starting point of our creation. Now, the cool thing is, if you don't know what to type in, right, we can do and actually create the auto prompt. Basically means that the system, the Design AI, will be looking into our picture and deciding what this picture looks like and what it is in words, like, so it says a modern living room with a neutral color palette featuring white sofas, a rug, and a coffee table in the center. The space is well lit with natural light from a window. All right, so here we go. That's exactly what it does. All right, so let's say that we want to do some additional things into it. Okay, so let's say that we want to keep this very similar to the one which we already have here. We want to match the colors, and we just want to do some additional thing like add. Uh, Actually, no. Let's leave it as it is now. Okay. So we can do some advanced options where we put, let's say, the negative prompts, but we don't need that here at this moment. So let's go and generate and see what this new picture will be looking like. Okay. So we want this picture. Yeah, again, it's if you want to skip the queue, you can start paying them. As I said in the previous video, the starting you can start with as low as $10 per month. Okay, for 2,000 credits. But if you want to just go and test it, there's a 200 credits available for you. I already did some tests here, so 186 credits available now we can use to create, for example, this video. Okay, so there you go. In the meantime, when this will be actually created for us, look, there's 26 jobs in front of us, and this number will be going down, 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 so if you purchase it, that will be much quicker. But if you're using those free credits, this will need to wait, basically you need to wait for your turn. So now, let's say that you want to, let's say, to do some sort of remove background on this. Okay, we can definitely do it. So let's say that we want to remove background, everything except the sofa. What we can do some sort of, an AI eraser. All right. So let's say that we want to erase this particular thing, like this sofa here, and we can definitely do it. Okay. And there you go. We can click remove, and it will be done for us. All right. So uh, that that I think that's very handy because it's something which it's not really, it doesn't have to be like if it's only an image generator. You can also do some sort of editing on the existing image, which is quite cool because if you have some editing skills, like, or you want to, those skills doesn't have to be very big one. Let's say that you want to remove this particular chair, you just click on it, you remove the chair, or you want to remove the background. Okay, that's also available here. So those simple editing tricks are already been built inside the software, which is quite cool because it gives you more flexibility. You don't have to take this image as it is. You definitely and you can work on it. You don't have to put, let's say, you got the image creation and like other softwares, they definitely will create you an image, let's say, but then you have to download that image and put inside I don't know, let's say Canva, and do some editing on it. Okay, here inside the design you can do it everything in one place, which is quite cool. Okay, now we're already there. Four variations will be generated for us. It's nice because you know how much time is gonna, like, how many people are in front of us, how many pictures are in front of us now, how long it's gonna take to do it. So there you go. There, that's different variations of that image. We put it inside it. Okay, so let's say that we have this image, but we want to do some sort of different variations on it. May go different interior designs. Perfect. I definitely do like those type of this outcome. I think it's amazing. Okay, so we started off with this particular image, and we have a different four different variations. It's absolutely amazing. Could you imagine having like a interior design agency, and you can present to your customers with the different variations? You can do it some sort of even promotional leaflets or brochures or websites. And you can definitely use some of those images. They are quite amazing. I think are really really professional. Like it's yeah, very nice. So yeah, there was a image to image. Guys, I think that's all what I want to cover in this video. In another video, I'll be covering more features. But I will be leaving a link to this tool down inside the description of this video. If you like it, please hit the like button. If you got any questions, just leave it below. Thank you very much for watching.